Hi, I'm Dennis Miller. I'm the Business Strategy Manager for Modine Manufacturing, our heating group. Today we're here in Franklin, Wisconsin, and it's gorgeous outside, but winter is coming. Today I'm going to show you how to take your home's unutilized space and make it come to life.
Living in Franklin can be unpredictable, cold, year-to-year differences. It's unfortunate that you got to come inside often. The coldest it gets that since we've lived here has been about minus 20, minus 25 degrees without the wind chill.
So, as we get into those cold, brutal months of winter and the temperatures, fall below zero, fall below, -10, -20, and you do not want to go, you barely want to go out to even go out to your car. Those are rough times.
From Thanksgiving all the way through February into March, you're sort of stuck indoors. I'm Dan Redens from Franklin, Wisconsin, just outside Milwaukee. My wife and I purchased a home in 2010. We moved into the house in July. During the warm months, when it's transitioning and we're getting the garage worked on to add the heater, so we worked with the contractor knowing we had a 4-car garage. How do we make sure we got the right heat so that it's not turning on and off all the time or too much airflow? We wanted to make sure we were comfortable. When we were looking at our options for heat, we had reviewed with some contractors. There was in-ground heating, which would require a boiler and very expensive. There was electric heat was an option, which in a large space is very expensive. What was proposed was a Modine Hot Dawg heater, a unit heater that can operate off natural gas and be very cost efficient. After the contractor's recommendation of the Hot Dawg, being energy efficient, cost effective, easy to install, we moved forward with that option. The ease of the installation impressed me. It seemed they were in and out in 2 days with a couple different contractors. The amount of work to install it is pretty minimal when you look at what it provides.
The unit itself is designed to rapidly heat a space of this size so that you can really utilize it quickly.
There's a thermostat, very similar to what you'd find in a house. You come out, you push the temperature up to whatever temperature you want, and within a short amount of time, it regulates and holds it there.
It totally can be integrated with either a Modine SmartStat or really pretty much any smart thermostats that are out there on the market, Wi-Fi enabled. So what a homeowner can do is, say it's -10 degrees outside, they're in their living room, they want to come out to their garage, but the garage heater's not on. Right from your app and from your phone, you can turn the heater on, have it within 15 minutes be warm out here and at least be temperate enough to be able to do some of the activities that you wanted to do, whether it be woodworking, your home gym.
I find myself working on a lot of maintenance items, getting them done in the winter when not using the summer months. It's very convenient to pop out, turn the heat up. Within a couple hours, it's at temperature, and we're enjoying our livable space.
Who wouldn't want to do it from the comfort of their living room, turn their heater on, and then walk out and have it be the pretty much the same temperature as it is in your living room?
Yeah, the Hot Dawg has really transformed our lifestyle. It gives a lot more freedom. We're not reliant on the weather.
The quality of our products, built and manufactured and assembled in the USA, huge selling point to these units. The homeowners that we have for these, like Dan and Kimberly, they're going to put this unit in, and they're ultimately it's going to sit in the ceiling for 20 plus years.
The Hot Dawg has been amazing for us. The ease of operation and just its functionality of creating a much larger space where we spend a lot more family time.
To learn more about the Hot Dawg and Modine's heating solutions to make an unlivable space in your home come to life, visit modinehvac.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.